It's a beautiful day. We're going wine tasting. We're going on a real tourist day today. We got JP over here. JP and I have been friends pretty much our whole lives. Sarah, his fiance, and good old Monya. We all know Monya.
Morning.
And he knocking at my door. Somehow you found a way to tell.
We're now waiting for the tram, which comes along here, and then this tram takes us along to whatever wine farms you want to go to. You just hop off when you want and hop back on when you want to. This whole thing altogether, the bus and the tram for the entire day from 9 until 4 p.m. only costs $30 US per person. That's cheap as hell.
Winterland, tell me all your secrets. Fill me in on your wildest moments. Colored trees, your yellow leaves move me. Dancing roofs, your painted red shakes the room. When I get there, I'll let my feet run.
All right, we're at our first taste of wine for the day. Give me one word to describe this, Monya.
I thought it's white. White.
Okay. And we haven't even started drinking. Now we have 3 minutes to finish all of these wines. Our bus. We haven't even finished our wine. Come on, this guy's got 3.
I'm never Polish.
Oh, it's turning around. You got some.
One.
Eating raw wine. As it turns out, we may have been enjoying the wine a little bit too much. Our bus was supposed to leave at 3:30. It's now 3:35. Guys, we have no idea where the bus leaves from. We've lost our friends. Our pants are falling down. Alcohol's a crazy thing.
Worst case scenario.
We found a friend. Which way? Oh, you don't know. All right, let's go. We found our friend. Coming. Oh, wow. That's a long walk, eh? That was a close call.
I'm not where I'm supposed to be. I'm going in circles, going in circles. I should get away from here. There's a better place for me, better place for me. Trying to play my symphony, but there's so much noise around, so much noise around. Constantly fighting for space. I need
Tomorrow will be our next video. We're going to meet some penguins in Boulders Bay, and then we're going to be going on one of the most beautiful drives in the world. The world? One of the most beautiful drives in the whole world. Don't miss it.
a sparkle like